Well, good afternoon again. I am going back to my Monday meal prep videos. So this is what I'm doing. I had canned up some chicken and some chili. I showed it in one of my videos today. I also thawed out some of my chicken tenders. That package took up a lot of room. So I did them in an egg wash and breadcrumbs, and I did them in the oven with a little bit of olive oil. When they completely cool, I'm going to wrap them up maybe by like 4 or 5 little packs, and I'm going to freeze them and just take out what I need. If I take them out, they'll be good for a couple of days. I tried to use my eggs that were frozen in the little muffin cups. You crack the egg and you just freeze them in a muffin tin and then pop them out and put them in a bag. But I didn't like the way the yolks came out, so I couldn't use it for the egg wash for the chicken, so I turned it into an omelet. I used some parsley and basil from my little indoor garden, and I added a little bit of cheese, and that's a 4-egg omelet. That's not bad, huh? I am boiling some rice to go with tonight's dinner, which is a vegetable pot pie, which is in the oven. And that's it right there. That's heating up. I am heating up half, and we're going to put the other half in the freezer if we don't eat it, or we'll have it tomorrow. I have some leftover Armenian zucchini stew, and that's going to be a nice dinner. And I'm thinking tomorrow might be a repeat dinner of tonight, and then when it's gone, we'll have something else. That's about it. So my meal planning Monday is going pretty well. I haven't really had any food waste, although I was tempted with that omelet over there. But I'm not wasting anything. Like I always say, waste not, want not. So take a look at what you got and try to put some meals together with it. And we're going meatless today, so that'll be nice. A nice change. And I hope that you like my video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. You know I'd love for you to subscribe. And let me know what you're making for dinner. Leave a comment below. I'll catch you on the next video.